Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I want to share with you the Aglow collection. And they are so pretty, but one of them is sold out. I'm sorry, one of the largest one is sold out, but the other two are coming soon. They got more inventory coming and they're absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you the larger one, but it's sold out. But the other two are gorgeous. Okay. So first things first, I'm going to show you the Aglow. It's the small gray. And so this is what it looks like. It has the star at the top and super pretty little like leaves. It's all metal. It's adorable. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for you. I love this one. I'm going to be putting mine in my bedroom. These are gorgeous. I've been waiting for them to come. I'm kind of bummed that the large one is sold out because I know some of you may want that one, but nothing we can do. All right, so here we go. Let me grab it. All right, and this one has a 15-watt bulb. So 1, 2, and 3. Super duper pretty. I absolutely love it. Very pretty. Okay, so that one is still going to be available coming soon. And if you guys are interested in one, let me know, because when they come out, before they sell out again, I can grab you one and have it sent directly to you. Okay, so the next one is the medium, the Aglow medium white. This one is gorgeous. Look at that. That is stunning. And look at how pretty they are together. Isn't that nice? Super pretty, super wintry. And you can actually keep these up after Christmas if you just want like winter stuff. These are beautiful. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Isn't that stunning? I love this one. I love this one so much. So that's the Aglow medium. Okay. Now, sorry, but the one that's sold out. So maybe they'll bring it back next year. But let's check it out. All right, so this is the Aglow. This is the large green. And so that's the large green. Super duper pretty. Has the star on top. And I'll show you what that one looks like. So, boom sauce. Let me turn it on. 1, 2, 3. Super pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm sorry it's sold out, but the other two are so pretty too. And they're going to be coming available. And like I said, you can message me if you want one, and I will make sure that when they come in, that I'll be ordering it for you. But anyway, so that is the Aglow collection, and they're super stunning. Anyways, you guys, have a great day. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.